King James lets you simmer over hot lava, YEEZY glows in the dark, Jordan Brand got you scratching like Tyrone Biggums, and the tailwind goes Walter White with the desert vibes. Let's see what's dropping this week. What's good, everybody? It's Zach Hayes here with the weekly drop. Mr. Kardashian lets you glow from the feet up, secretly dropping a new YEEZY 350 on YEEZY Supply yesterday in all the way glow in the dark. You know the deal, same YEEZY time, same YEEZY channel. These hit stores on the 25th at highs and lows, up there, Sneaker Boy and ADIDAS flagships. This weekend, LeBron channels the extreme 90s lavishness of GOAT echelon compadre Andre Agassi. King James hits his LeBron 16 silo with the Punisher's famed and too incredible to be real AirTech Challenge 2 Hot Lava colorway. Steezed out with hot lava accents across the release, with the OG speckle gradient taking center court on the heel. Two GOATs, one sneaker, available on the 26th at Foot Locker. Another week, another Jordan. This week, Jordan Brand re-upped their SB bloodline via their wear-away Lightbone Jordan 1 SB. The OGJ gets the SB reinforcements that have made this a staple model to those in and out of the lifestyle. This time around, Jordan Brand adds a scuff-encouraged wear-away skin that lets the Lightbone layer fade to crimson. These will be available on the 25th at Foot Locker and via raffle at Fast Times. The Tailwind 4 comes in hot again, tagging in off the recent OG Retro and the cooler than the other side of the Pillow Supreme collab. Desert Ochre subtly turns the heat up to high, working mild earth tones into the obnoxious silo, with sunset gradients and nostalgic branding linking it to its over-the-top Air Max genealogy. The Desert Ochre Tailwind 4 will be on shelves May 24th at Up There and Hype DC. The Ash Green makes its rounds again with the ZX 4000 4D absorbing the three stripes black onyx color scheme. The black PrimeNet upper scoops up the staple-esque grey and infrared panels, offset with white suede components, all sitting comfortably on ADIDAS' revolutionary 4D sole. Highs and lows, Sneaker Boy and ADIDAS are the plug on May 25th. And that's not everything on shelves this week. Sign up to the Weekly Drop newsletter at theweeklydropsneakers.com for even more sneaker release info. Hit the comments with your hammers for the week, and don't forget to like the Weekly Drop on Facebook and Instagram for daily sneaker updates. That's all the info for this week. Hit subscribe to stay a step ahead of the game, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram for daily sneaker updates.